Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have JBL Pulse 3 speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair this device with your Android phone. At first we have to turn on our speaker. Now we have to go into pairing mode by clicking this button over there. Now we are in pairing mode, so we have to scroll down to our console panel and then hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click pair new device and then click JBL Pulse 3. Now we have to wait a moment, and now we can allow access to contacts and call history, but it's not necessary. Now we have to click pair. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.